Hi guys, so welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to talk about the precise timeline of your spousal sponsorship application, each correspondence that you will receive from IRCC from the time you submit your application to the time you receive your passport request. Now that you have submitted your application, the very first step will be for you to receive acknowledgement of receipt from IRCC. It can vary from client to client or country to country, but generally speaking, people get their AOR from 1 week to a month. Now, the next correspondence will be biometrics instructions letter. And remember, this will be sent to your spouse, the principal applicant. And normally this can take around 2 weeks from the time you receive your AOR. Now, the next correspondence from IRCC on this timeline, it will be for the sponsor. We are pleased to inform you that you have met the requirements for eligibility as a sponsor. And you can expect to receive this document, I think, in about 2 weeks from the time you received the last correspondence, which was the biometrics instructions letter. Now, the next correspondence on your application will be the medical instructions letter, and this will be sent to the principal applicant. The next correspondence will be a PDF document that will be issued by IRCC, and it will tell you how you have qualified for pre-arrival services in Canada. And the next correspondence after the pre-arrival services document, you might get another reminder of that same document that now you have been qualified to access these services. And finally, after a few months, you can expect to receive your passport request from IRCC. And that's the actual correspondence that people are looking to receive from IRCC. So this was a total timeline from when you submit your application to the point you receive your passport request. If you are looking to sponsor your spouse over to Canada and you have questions or concerns, you're not sure about the precise requirements, and you are looking for professional help, I'm a licensed Canadian immigration consultant here based in Toronto, Canada. You can book an appointment at the given link here. We'll have a detailed chat about your personal and professional profile, in which we'll do a complete assessment to see where you stand. And of course, we'll let you know how you can move forward. Anyways, that's it for now, and we'll come back with more updates. Thank you.